WeatherTrack Mobile. Controller programming. We can check out what's under the Settings button on the controller's page. And the Settings button gives us a high-level review of some essential site information, including all of the information about the alerts you have on site. And so we want to work hard to resolve these alerts. And if you need to know more about the alert, you can just click on the alert and it gives you tools to drill down farther and farther, even watch a video to find out exactly what that alert is trying to tell you about your system. Down at the bottom of the page, we have the clear flow and electrical alerts. So when you're using the alert tools for troubleshooting, you can clear the alerts to test the system. Here on the controller level, you can also do a station by station percent adjust. This will adjust this station's irrigation runtime. So if I want to add 10% to the station, I can go select the station and select a plus 10%, which will result in 10% more irrigation happening for that station. You can go as high as plus 25% or as low as minus 50%. You can also implement a rain pause from WeatherTrack Mobile by selecting the pause feature and coming down and selecting how many days of rain pause you wish to send to the controller. So if I select a 1-day pause, we'll send that controller a signal that will immediately suspend all scheduled irrigation until it expires. You'll see it pending while it sends that information to the controller, but then WeatherTrack Mobile gives you the specific time and date that your pause will expire and irrigation will resume. You can always send a 0-day rain pause to zero out any user rain pauses that have been sent to the controller. The next thing we want to look at is MVO, or Master Valve Override, which will open a normally closed master valve and allow water to run through the system for a set amount of time. So you select how long you want to override the master valve. You'll see the master valve override apply current to a normally closed master valve to open it up for this set amount of time. That way you can have water on demand in the system and run your quick couplers or your hose bibs. And regardless of whether you have a normally closed or a normally open master valve, the WeatherTrack will suspend all leak alerts and count any water that runs through the system as known irrigation. And when the master valve override expires, the master valve will close. We also use the WeatherTrack Mobile 3.0 to lock and unlock the controller interface on OptiFlow XR controllers. And the last thing we want to check out here on the controller settings page is how to change the controller status. This is where you would turn your controller on or off, or to winterized after you've shut the system down for the season. So if I want to turn the controller off from WeatherTrack Mobile, I can do that right here.